Today we are going to make a cloud out of ice, hairspray and warm water, which we're going to go and get. And for this we're going to need a jar and the lid of the jar. So first we need to put some warm water in here, about 4. So we're going to go and put the warm water into it.
Okay, go.
Have you played it?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put the lid on.
Yeah.
Screw the lid on.
Yeah.
And now we're going to shake it and make sure it gets all around the jar so it's nice and hot. Now you can feel when it's hot, now it's very hot.
Okay.
So now we're going to unscrew the lid and we're going to put some ice in. So I'm going to take as much ice as I can and put it inside.
Put the lid on top of the jar so all the heat doesn't come out. That's it.
And make sure you don't let the heat come out. I did that so I could make sure none of the heat came out. And we can just fit about 2 more, I think. Perfect.
How long do we have to wait now?
We have to wait for 30 seconds. And I'm going to set a timer on Alexa. Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Now we're going to wait until this, the time. Ready? Now get an adult to put some hairspray in. My time has just gone up and we've added some more ice in. So we're going to take off the top and get somebody to put hairspray in, and then we're going to wait and we're going to watch the cloud. Now I have written something down in my lab notepad.
Can we see what's happening inside the jar? Yes. What's happening?
You can see all of it coming around in the middle, and I also
what does it look like?
It looks like a gas and cloud and a very thin cloud.
Looks a bit like smoke, doesn't it?
It looks like a bit like smoke.
Wispy.
If you haven't seen smoke before, you can have a fire or you can smell smoke. I did write down something before this video, and it says ice dissolves when you put it in your mouth because your mouth is warm.
That's very true.
And I do have a professor sticker which keeps coming off.
And so is the ice melting now from the warm water? Or is it just melting from being out in the room?
It's just melting because we've got an agar and an agar is very hot.
Well, yes, very true.
And the house is very hot.
Okay, so what's happening in the jar now? Anything?
Now it's steamed up.
Still got smoke.
Yeah. You can't see me very well through here, can you?
No, why is that?
Because it's all steamed up.
Oh, is that why do you think that's something to do with why we can't see through clouds then?
Yes, because it gets steamed up.
It's not a clear. What was that word that we learnt the other day about clear things? What were they called?
Transparent.
Transparent things, that's right.
Glass is transparent.
It is, but at the moment it's not all that clear, is it?
No,
it's a little bit. What was the other word that was not quite clear?
Opaque.
Opaque. Good. So now, what happens if we take the lid off?
The cloud.
Will we get a bit of a cloud?
It will rise up into the air.
Oh, look, yes it did.
Yes, you can see it.
Very quick, wasn't it? Brilliant, there was your cloud.
Yes.
Is that the end of your experiment?
Yes, it is. Now, we do have a lot more ice in the bowl, as you can see. So I'm going to get eating this ice up in a second because I do like a bit of ice.
Okay. Thank you for your experiment, Professor Tegan.